My company is Concord for engineering and contractor. It's one of the big companies in infrastructure and mega projects. We work in all the mega projects in Egypt. Now we know Egypt is one of the leaders in the mega projects and contracting in the Middle East. If you heard about the new administrative capital, we're working there. We're working in many big cities like Alamein City, Mansoura City. We're making infrastructure in every place. We are also a company specialized in tunneling, so we're making the tunnels under Suez Canal. So we had the opportunity to visit the company for lighting. Really, I was amazed. It's a very nice company, very nice factory, huge. We visited about 5 or 6 sites, labs, quality control. Really, I was amazed for the quality and the control. And we went to a lab. They installed the lid. It's like a hospital. We wore like coats and. Really, it was amazing. I couldn't. I thought these things only in Japan and in Korea, but I found the technology and everything is really very accurate. I saw, of course, the street lightings and how the quality and the quality control and how they put it in different degrees, minus 15 till 50 or 70 degrees centigrade. How they test it with the vibration, with everything for the wind pressure. And no, I was really surprised. I couldn't imagine this happens or this test somebody do it. This was very nice. Also, I saw some of the lightings for the anti-explosion, which we need in many places and for the army, for things like this. So I think this would be very nice to cooperate also in this field. So no, I was surprised. I couldn't think that you have this in Russia. I think we have good opportunity to work in this field in Egypt. We have thousands of street lightings we need, and many buildings, and we also work for Concord in sport buildings. We're making some stadiums, so this needs special lightings and very accurate things. I talked with the people there in your company, and I think it would be good cooperation between us and the company, so that we can produce all the lightings we need and with the specifications the consultants need.